What if I told you you only need 1,000 true fans to become successful? Hey guys, and I'm here to help influencers make money on YouTube and Instagram by providing online training. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. And in today's module we're gonna be covering, does you only need 1,000 fans, 1,000 people that listen to your message in order to become successful and make big bang off YouTube and Instagram? So you might be seeing, that all of those big influencers might be thinking like, how can this work? Like, there's no possibility of this being working because those guys are making big money, and it's definitely not gonna be me who's gonna be making big money with my 2,000 followers, 3,000 followers. But let me tell you what, that's not true. Like, here's the thing, you only need 1,000 true fans, and I'm gonna explain this in a second. So, with 1,000 true fans, those are gonna be the most loyal people you have. The most loyal people. Like, when you put out, I don't know, like a product, I don't know, like this crown or some shit like that, like that type of stuff, they're gonna buy it. They're gonna go to the site and cop it just because they love you so much. They wanna be like you so much. And you don't need like 1 million followers to do that. Like, imagine 1,000 people. I'm gonna pull out the calculator, like edit this on the screen right now. So so you have 1,000 true fans, and you put out a product for $100. So that's already $100,000, as you guys know. So with the 1,000 true fans, it really depends on the product which you're selling. If it's a $200 product, you only need 500 fans. If it's a $50 product, you need 2,000 true fans. Getting 1,000 true fans is not easy. It's definitely not easy. And it's not the same as having 1,000 followers on Instagram. The difference between like 1,000 followers and 1,000 true fans is that those are going to be people who are really engaged with you. Like, really engaged with you. The type of engagement where you just put out like, I'm gonna be doing a live stream, what do you want me to talk about? Everybody, every single one of them, throughout their day, they're gonna block out the time to go to your live stream, ask you questions, and engage with you. Those are gonna be the people that engage you the most. And now I'm gonna be going over how to get those people, how to filter them out. So number one way is long form content. So as you guys can see, I have short form content and long form content on my channel. Short form is like 3 to 5 minutes, like it's not a long time. And those videos are just to rank on the Google YouTube searches and to get more people to follow me, right? So it's just to acquire new people. But then when I have those new people, I have to filter out those guys from the real true fans, right? And the way is how I do that. The form would be 15 minutes or as a funnel video, 40 minutes. And people who watch that, it might be just 10 people who watch that, those are gonna be the true fans, right? And it's not putting out shitty content just stretched out for a long period of time. It's putting out good content just stretched out for longer time. So it's almost like a free seminar, free webinar, something like that. Like, a free webinar is a perfect example for that. It's a long form piece of content that provides you a lot of value. You can engage with your followers, something like that. Email marketing. Like, you can build an email list. You can I have a video on it right here. I guess it's gonna be this corner. I have a video on it right there. And I told you guys how I built a funnel for $15. And basically this funnel is just, to get people into my mailing list. And when they're in there, I own them. Like, literally, I own those people who are in my mailing list. I have their contact information, so if I anytime I want something from them, I can just hit them up, and yeah, as simple as that. The third thing I'm gonna be talking about is like literally engaging with your followers. You go out to them, ask them, what do they want to see from your content? You help them fix their problems. You provide them value. When somebody asks you something on the DM, like, where the fuck, you answered them. You don't ignore them. You answered them. And this is super duper important because when they see that you're engaged, they're gonna give you the same thing back. They're gonna give you the same exact thing back. So guys, engage with your followers. Post like stories, do live streams and everything, because people who are gonna stick to your live stream, those are your true fans, those people, right? And when you kind of see them, get them in your mailing list, start DMing them, interact with them, and they're gonna grow more and more trust to you, and they're gonna be eventually like your true fan. And your true fan, if you put out a book, they'll buy the hard copy, the paperback, the Kindle version. When you put out the shirt, they're gonna cop it. When you put out a new shirt, they're gonna cop it. Everything you put out, they're gonna get that. So the power of true fans is those people will help you out the most, right? When you have a problem, they're gonna be there for you. They're gonna help you out. Second thing, you can monetize them, and this might say, "Oh, this is evil," but still, as you guys heard in the video, you can do that, and it's easily you can get $100,000 a year of that. And if you think you cannot live off $100,000, then there's probably like a fucking problem and you would spend it. So guys, like, build your 1,000 true fans, because this is gonna be super important in your career. You're gonna love that, right? You'll have no regrets in doing that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you become one of my 1,000 true fans, and if you want to become one, go down into the first link in the description and get my free ebook, right? It's a free ebook on how I earn $10,000 online. And yeah, guys, you're gonna get daily content, emails. You're gonna be fucking grateful for that. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace.